turning city lights into smeared memories. Inside, the watch ticks on, measuring moments that feel both fleeting and eternal. She doesn't notice the time. Her gaze, lost in the hypnotic rhythm of the rain, each drop echoing the unspoken words caught in her throat. Is it a prison or an echo chamber of the heart's quietest desires? The city hums, a constant reminder of lives intertwined, yet utterly alone. But in the quiet space between each raindrop, a silent question hangs. Is there beauty, even in the deepest melancholy?